After the official announcement at Unpacked on the 10th of August, yes, we finally have both the new Watch 5 series in-house, the Watch 5 Pro and the Watch 5. We're going to unbox them and give you our early impressions. Hi, Ben from SamMobile. If you enjoy new and exclusive videos like this, then be sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future videos on YouTube with SamMobile TV. Here's our quick unboxing of the Watch 5 Pro and the Watch 5 and giving you our early impressions. So we have here the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro and the Galaxy Watch 5. Of course, we're going to start with what is new and we're going to look at the Watch 5. Again, we've got the grey titanium. Thank you, they listened to me and my hands on. This is my preferred color. Yes, the black one is a safer bet, but this is my preferred color. So of course, we've got that in the 45mm, which is the only size that comes in. This is the packaging and we are pretty much going to get to unboxing it. Here we are, looking good. See if there's anything up top. Yes, we are. Put this to the side. And then booklets. Anything else that comes in here? Yes, we've got, I believe, the charger. Yes, we do. Yes, so we've got the wireless charging puck. It does support Qi wireless charging. So if your devices do have power share or reverse wireless charging, yes, you will be able to use it. Let's put this to the side. And we'll bring the centerpiece here, which is the Watch 5 Pro. Wow, do we really need a Pro smartwatch? Samsung seems to think so, and this is their first full attempt at bringing that to their wearable devices. Anything else that we have in here? Nope. And this is the Watch 5 Pro. Let's give it a top-down treatment to see how it looks. I think this gray titanium color is really nice. And although I'm not much of a watch person, if I'm going to be very honest with you, I am eager to try this out to really see, can a Pro watch really convince even someone like myself to get into watches, let alone smartwatches? Okay, let's turn this on. And let's get it set up. We'll get it connected to, what device do we have available now? That's fully set up. It's here, S22 Ultra. And this is, of course, if you've been watching our One UI 5 beta coverage, this is running One UI 5 beta 1. Just for reference. This will be the device that we'll connect it to as I have it fully set up, as we are going back-to-back unboxing. So put this to the side for now. And wow, that is beautiful. That is really nice. That's a nice watch face. That is really nice. Again, the always on display works when it's actually detected on the skin. Okay, and it's got a compass for this watch face, which is really nice to see. Quick rundown of the specifications. Of course, you do have a 1.4-inch circular display that's AMOLED based. It is using the same Exynos W925nm chipset from before. It has got 1.5 gigabytes of RAM and also 16 gigabytes of internal storage. This is running a One UI Watch 4.5 on Wear OS 3.5. And the biggest standout feature for this particular watch, being Pro, is the massive 590 milliamp hour battery. Now, if you compare it to the Watch 5, which we'll get to, the 40mm has a 284 milliamp hour battery and the 44mm has a 410 milliamp hour battery. So this is huge, and this is really just going to be putting a lot of work into giving you all day battery. Okay, let's sort out the strap, get it connected, and we'll come back. Okay, so we have set up the Watch 5 Pro connected to the Galaxy S22 Ultra, as is my main device that's fully set up at the minute, not the Fold 4 or the Flip 4 at the meantime. Let's debuckle. Put this on, it's got a magnetic latch in there, and you've got the latch at the bottom, and this is what you effectively release to allow you to resize it to your fit. So we're gonna put this on, first fit. Ooh. Put the latch, oh, it's strong. Let's go back. You're seeing this live. Put this on, fold in. Oh, sorry, apologies. It's fold in this way. Again, this debuckle, as you can see, it's quite loose. So we go back, we tuck in after we release. Again, it's quite fiddly if I'm basing my first impressions. Clip. Still needs a little bit more adjustment. Again, trial and error. You're seeing this live so you can experience it for yourself. Strong latch, which is a good thing for secure and non-loose fit. Fold forward, latch. Okay, this needs slightly more. This is all fun. I think we should be at a good level. Fold in, latch. Okay, that's better. Wrong way around for me again. Here, fold in. As you can tell, I'm not really much of a watch person, but here we have it. This is the grey titanium, and this is the Watch 5 Pro. And we should have the always on display active and working. Let's go here. Let's go here. We're gonna put the always on display on. Screen timeout, we're gonna increase it. About watch. Software, One UI Watch 4.5 with Wear OS 3.5, system version 11, and we've got the July security patch. Battery information, and that is that massive 590 milliamp hour battery that we demonstrated. And the rotating bezel is gone. I do miss it. I do miss it. What Samsung's justification was, you know, a thicker design that still felt balanced, bigger battery, ruggedized. I don't know about this debuckle strap. It is quite fiddly based on now just having it myself right here. But again, always on display working, as you can see it in action. And then we've got here connected Galaxy Watch 5 Pro. So, not to spend any more time, we're gonna unbox the Watch 5 and pretty much see how that's like as well. Next in line is the Galaxy Watch 5. So we've got that in a 40mm, a lot more smaller for smaller wrist. This might not be a good fit for me personally, but we are gonna unbox it and I have it pretty much set up, ready to go. Again, charging base that comes with. Booklets. We're gonna put that here for now. Put this to the side. Charging base to the side. And we've got the Galaxy Watch 5. Got this in a graphite color. Put this to the side here. And this is much, much more akin to what we're used to. Again, normal sports band. Putting it here. Yeah, this is quite small for me. So here, apologies, out of frame. And that's it. Much simpler. Not too sure about the D buckle sports band. But yeah, this feels right at home to what I'm used to. Okay. Turning that on, and we're gonna connect this one to the S22 Plus at the minute because that's my secondary device that is pretty much nearly fully set up. But this, in terms of the size, Flip 4 connected to this one, and then the Watch 5 Pro connected to the Fold 4. So that's really gonna be the combination. Yeah, we're gonna take this off for now. Have this boot up. Says starting. And again, this is still using the same W920 5nm chipset. And that's what we have right here. Connections, Bluetooth. And we're gonna go here. Bluetooth. Let's see if it picks it up. There we go. All right, so we've got that right here. Okay, it says okay, so we got to reset this. So let's do that. Connect to new. Continue. And then we're gonna set that up new and pretty much put it on there, and that should pretty much wrap it up between both the unboxing experience and early impressions of the Watch 5 Pro and the Watch 5. Sorry if it's a slightly longer video, but see it as 2-in-1 for 2 devices. Okay, this is now the Watch 5 set up and connected to my S22 Plus. We're gonna put this on again. Much easier this time. Bang, much prefer this. Nothing against the D-buckle sports band, but this just feels right at home. Then we're gonna swipe from the top and pretty much work it through. So that's connected, works really smooth. Again, storage. Okay, so allow. Yep, 16 gigabytes as predicted, as said before. I'm gonna go back. Battery information. We should see 284 milliamps, and that is because of this being a 40mm, but a 44mm does have 410. So there is a difference there. Software information, as you can see, Watch UI 4.5, and we do have that with Wear OS 3.5. So yeah, tips and tutorials are there, connections, and as we can just do a quick side by side of what we have here. Put it here. Watch 5 Pro, Watch 5. So yes, be sure to check out our full experience review on these, and whether the justification of £469 for the non-LTE model, this justifies it being Pro, because it's asking quite a lot, but it is quite interesting, especially with the bioactive sensor that's on there, sleep tracking, sleep monitoring, heart rate monitoring, and also the exclusive 10x10 outdoor features that are exclusive to this with vibration and voice and turn back as well, or track back. It's going to be interesting to see how much more the Pro is worth and if it will actually get me back into watches, let alone smartwatches. But yeah, For the latest news in the world of Samsung daily, be sure to visit us at SamMobile.com. And for the latest videos on YouTube with SamMobile TV, be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. And we will see you next time.